Alright folks, I wanted to show you why you should never work with concrete without gloves. I worked with my bare hands, and now you can see all these little spots right here, these red spots. Those are not cuts. They feel like cuts, but they're actually abrasions, where just the sandiness of the cement has worn away the skin, the outer layer of the skin, which is kind of dead and doesn't have a lot of feeling in it, to the lower level where it's full of nerves and is raw. So again, I like the control of having my hands right directly in contact with the work, but man, it is tough on them if you do too much of it. Now this is after about, even though it wasn't consecutive days, but three days of working with cement, with some days off here and there in between. But yeah, it takes its toll and it hurts. And I thought about putting some super glue on these, which would be like immense pain for about 30 seconds, but would help protect them. But I'm going to try to tough it out here for a little bit and see how I do. But yeah, wear gloves. Alright, we decided to go with the Band-Aid route. Stylish, I know. Still got a few spots here that are not covered with a Band-Aid, but yeah, it'll be okay. Got one more batch of cement to do, and we'll probably wear gloves for that.